Hello, boys and girls. This is Mr. Linares back again. Good morning, buenos días, niños y niñas. Hoy el objetivo de hoy, vamos a saber el valor de los centésimas. Today we will know the value of the hundredths. Vamos a entender que las centésimas es parte de un entero. We will understand that the hundredths is part of a whole. You will also be able to demonstrate understanding by creating a graphic organizer and solving. Van a crear un organizador gráfico y van a resolver problemas. Okay, so let's review. Vamos a revisar. We know that this is a flat, este es un plano y este es a long y este es un largo. Sabemos que un largo es parte de un plano. A long is part of a flat. Okay, so hundreds is basically the cubes that it takes to make a long. Okay, las centésimas son los cubitos pequeños que se usan para hacer el largo. So for instance, this is 1/10, right? So if we write that, it'll be 0 and 1/10, right? 1/10. Okay. Es una décima, ¿verdad? So then, what do I think of whenever I'm thinking of hundreds? Every time I think of hundreds, I'm thinking of small cubes. So I'm going to take the long off, voy a quitar el largo y lo voy a reemplazar. I'm going to replace it by small cubes. Y como pueden ver, as you can see, como pueden ver, now I have a long and I have hundreds. I got tenths and hundreds. This is still, eso todavía es una décima porque tengo 10. As you can see, there are still 10 there, right? So that is still 1/10. However, como pueden ver, we have small cubes. Tenemos cubos pequeños. How many small cubes do we have? ¿Cuántos cubos pequeños tenemos? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 0 and 10 hundredths. So we have 10 hundredths. THS. So we also have 10 hundredths. All right, boys and girls, we're going to continue from the activity of yesterday. Vamos a continuar lo que hicimos ayer. I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to bring out yesterday's activity. All right, boys and girls, I'm back. All right, this is the one we did yesterday. Decimos que esto lo hicimos ayer. Yesterday, we said that this was 3/10, right? 3/10. Dijimos que estas eran 3 décimas. We said, well, let's finish this one first. Now, to make hundreds, para hacer centésimas, tenemos que hacer 10 líneas para hacer 10 cubitos. So we'll start by making 10 lines. 9 lines makes 10 cubes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So ahí tenemos 10 cubos pequeños. So we still have 3 tens. We have 1, 2, 3 tens. It's still the same. But now remember what I said. Acuerden lo que les dije. When you're thinking of hundreds, think of a small cubes. How many small cubes do we have? Cuando piensen de centésimas, piensen de cubos pequeños. ¿Cuántos cubos pequeños tenemos? Como pueden ver, ahí tenemos 30. So we have 30. 30 hundredths. Ok, ahora quiero que traten este junto. Ayer decimos, we know that this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one is 7 tenths. 7 tenths. Okay, how many hundredths are there? Don't forget, you have to make your lines. I'm going to pause it right here. I'm going to come back. When I come back, I'm going to have my lines made. Recuerden que hacer sus líneas, hacerlos en cubitos pequeños. You're going to make 9 lines. All right? I'll be back. All right, boys and girls, I am back. And just like that, I have it done. Now we still have 7 tenths. Todavía tenemos 7 largos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We still have 7 longs. Now, how many hundredths? How many small cubes do we have? Remember, we are looking for small cubes. For hundredths, it's going to be small cubes. When you think of hundredths, think of small cubes. So now we have 10 here, 20 there. If I count them all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm gonna stop at basically 70. So I have 70 hundredths. THS, 70 hundredths. As you can see, boys and girls, always think of longs as small cubes. And you, for hundredths, we are going to count the small cubes. Acuerden que los largos están hechos de cubos pequeños y cada uno es un cubo pequeño, va a ser las centésimas. Okay, boys and girls, let's practice. Vamos a practicar. Vamos a pintar un largo. We're gonna color one long. And we know that one long is, actually, you know what? One long is 1 tenth, right? 0 and 1 tenths. Okay. How many hundredths? Remember, hundredths are your small cubes. How many hundredths are there? So you got to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 0 and 10 hundredths. THS. All right. Boys and girls, I'm going to shade the next one, and I want you to try this on your own. I'm back again, boys and girls, and this is your problem here. Your problem has, I want you to tell me how many hundredths, cuántas centésimas hay. Remember what I said, when you're looking for hundredths, you are looking for the little cubes, okay? The small cubes. So how many hundredths does it have? I'm gonna pause it, give you time to think about it. All right, I'm back, boys and girls. And if your answer was 0 and 24 hundredths, that is correct. So your answer was 24 hundredths. And don't forget the THS. All right, boys and girls, you have an activity doing your discussion. You have to look at what the flat is, and you need to write the decimal and the word form for it. Good luck, boys and girls, and remember, stay fantastic today, tomorrow, and forever.